The causes of white smoke from the exhaust pipe and how to fix it. To prevent any potential engine damage, you should be aware of the numerous root causes if you notice white smoke coming from your car's exhaust. Your exhaust is producing white smoke because of one of two circumstances. Hello viewers, welcome back to your favorite YouTube channel, Auto Vehicle Fix. Subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming videos. Most of the time, particularly during the winter, some white smoke coming from your exhaust is very typical and nothing to be concerned about. However, other factors might be alarming. In this video, we will discuss the causes of the exhaust pipe's white smoke and how to fix it. Let us get started. 1. Coolant leak. After the engine has warmed up or accelerated, if you still notice white smoke from the exhaust pipe, your coolant may be internally leaking. When white smoke billows out of the exhaust pipe and creates a sweet-smelling trail in the air, it is the most obvious sign of an internal coolant leak. A coolant leak is unquestionably the cause of the white smoke that is continuously produced and the pleasant odor that is produced. There may be a crack in the cylinder head or even the engine block, which is the main source of coolant leakage. The internal coolant might readily seep out of a minor fracture and pollute your engine's oil. The exhaust smoke eventually turns white in this manner. The mixture of the coolant and engine oil will give the smoke a milky tint. White smoke may be formed with just a small amount of coolant entering the combustion chamber. Your engine will overheat once you have a low coolant level and an improperly maintained cooling system. Because they can't effectively seal when they're hot, this will lead to the failure of your head gasket. Your engine will wear out and sustain internal damage far more quickly. 2. Injector pump timing. If your engine burns diesel, a problem with the injector pump timing is probably the cause of the white smoke coming from your exhaust. The pump itself delivers diesel fuel for the cylinders. If it's not given at the appropriate moment, it can result in a diesel overrun, which might produce a big white cloud of smoke from the exhaust. Ways to fix it. Unfortunately, we do not advise trying to fix this problem yourself as it involves equipment and expertise that only a licensed technician would possess. 3. Condensation on the tailpipe. Condensation is probably to blame if it emits white smoke from the exhaust when you start your automobile in the morning. Steam is produced when the warm or hot exhaust gases collide with the chilly outside air. Although it may seem ominous, the reaction is quite typical. Ways to fix it. Driving your automobile for a brief period of time should be sufficient to reduce the white exhaust smoke, depending on how cold the weather is outside. 4. Bad fuel injector. The main function of a fuel injector is to spray fuel into the combustion chamber. It simply operates to impede or facilitate fuel transport. It has no control over when or how much is transmitted. Because of how precisely this system operates, even the slightest change can cause it to get out of equilibrium. Ways to fix it. When a fuel injector malfunctions, it has reached the end of its useful life and cannot be repaired. You must replace it. However, you should always replace the full set rather than just replacing one fuel injector. The engine won't operate evenly if it happens. 5. Cracked cylinder head. We shouldn't have placed this white smoke reason so near to the last one because it is not funny when the cylinder head develops a fracture. As you would have imagined, the cylinder head sits on top of the cylinders. It contains the intake and exhaust valves, which fill the combustion chamber with the air or fuel combination before venting the resultant gas outside. They are often composed of cast iron or aluminum, with the latter material preferred since it conducts heat more quickly and is lighter. Whatever material it is, if yours develops a crack, you have a serious problem on your hands. That's it for today. Don't forget to share your views in the comments section below and give this video a thumbs up. Stay tuned for more interesting facts about your vehicle.